beautiful people, you are welcome to Nancy Ogbebos TV. Today we'll be preparing chicken stew and white rice. Without further delay, join us as we go right into the preparation. And first on our list, we have our tin tomatoes with fresh cooked tomatoes. Chicken, here is our bell pepper and habanero pepper, garlic and ginger, seasoning, green beans, vegetable oil, onion, carrot, and salt. I'll be introducing the chicken into the pot. Here's my chopped onion, my fresh garlic and ginger, and the salt. Seasoning, so I'm going to be adding water to the chicken. I'm going to add more because I'll need the meat broth for further use. So I'm going to stir this a bit, and I'm going to cover this to cook for about 10 minutes. So here's my chicken, it's already cooked. And I don't want to fail to say very big thanks to my returning subscribers. Thanks for always stopping by. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video to your loved ones. So I'll be transferring the chicken to another pot. Here is my pot. So I'm bringing in the chicken, and I'm going to be adding my vegetable oil. This will enable me fry this chicken, and I have to stir it gradually and flip over until it's brown. You have to be very careful so your chicken wouldn't get burnt. Stay around, watch the process till the end. So you see, the chicken is gradually getting brown. Now I'm introducing my chopped onions, garlic and ginger. So I'll stir this, just allow this to simmer for a few minutes. So I introduce my tomatoes, 16 tomatoes and fresh cooked tomatoes. So I'm going to stir it gradually. Please, if you've watched up to this extent and you have not subscribed, please do well and hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up and don't fail to share this video. So I'll be introducing a roughly blended habanero and bell pepper. So I'll stir this so it gets mixed properly. Now I'll be adding my seasoning. So I'm going to be using a flavor and a very good aroma. Here's my seasoning. Here's my meat broth. All of this is going to give it a very good aroma and flavor and good color. See how beautiful this is. So I'll allow this to cook so that the sour taste of the tomatoes wouldn't be there anymore. Is actually cooking on the other burner, so I'm going to be adding the carrots, adding my green beans. So I just stir this one gradually and just allow this to cook for at least 2 minutes, and your stew will be ready. Look at how beautiful this one is. So my rice is also ready. I'm going to be molding this rice, and I'm going to show you the process of molding the rice. So I'm just dishing this rice on the bowl, and if you want your rice to get mold, follow this process. Dish your rice on the bowl while it's still hot, and after dishing, press the rice to the bowl, and don't forget, allow it to get cold. Allow it to get cold. So here is it. And I'm going to be flipping it over on the bowl, and you gradually take off the cover, and you're going to have your mold rice. Look at how beautiful this one is. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video. Thanks for watching, and remain blessed. See you on our next video.